So, science tells us that although the world around us appears to be very solid, very concrete, beneath the surface, all of this physical universe is energy. That is what the Big Bang Theory tells us, that this whole infinite cosmos began as a single unified ball of energy, a singularity, a source energy from which everything emerged. And this was actually Einstein's famous discovery with his equation E equals mc squared. Mass and energy, matter and energy are equivalent. All of this is an expression of a unified field of energy. And you and I, of course, are also expressions of this energy. We are one with the whole. We are unified with all that is. Beneath the surface, we are beings of energy. We are literally radiating energy outwards, a field of energy in all directions. And because all is one, all is interconnected, all is unified, the energy that we radiate affects and shapes reality on a quantum level in ways that we can't even begin to perceive or truly understand. For example, consider the famous double-slit experiment, which gave birth to the strange and wonderful world of quantum physics, in which researchers discovered that simply by observing, simply by measuring their experiment, they changed the outcome of the experiment. The simple act of conscious observation changed the physical reality, collapsed a field of probabilities into a concrete reality. The relationship between consciousness, conscious observation, and the physical world is still very much a mystery to us, which the research of Dr. Masaru Emoto sheds some light on. In his book called Messages from Water, Dr. Emoto describes his fascinating and strange research in which he literally spoke words to water, saying things like, "I love you," "thank you," or conversely, "I hate you." The results were amazing. The water changed on a physical molecular level. It was as if the water was responding to the thoughts, the emotions, the energy being directed at it. This is just one small example of how your state of consciousness might be reflected in the world around you, in the field around you. But consider the case of your own health. Research has found repeatedly that poor physical health is often directly tied, or the direct consequence of poor mental emotional health. For example, stress and anxiety has been found to be the root cause of a whole range of diseases, from diabetes to heart disease. Your state of consciousness, your inner experience of life, your state of being, the way you carry yourself from within, in many ways is reflected in the world around us, in the field around us, in many ways shapes the way that the world around us appears. So this is my understanding of manifestation, or the law of attraction. It's not so much about manifesting or attracting, it's more about reflecting that our external experience in a whole range of ways is reflecting our inner state of being. When you move through life with inner peace, with compassion, with gratitude, appreciation, kindness, love, that has creative organizing power that radiates outwards and affects the field of existence around us. So I want to ask you a question. When is the last time you expressed gratitude, appreciation, love, compassion, positivity, not just to the people around you, not just to the world around you, but to yourself? Self-compassion. When is the last time you gave gratitude and appreciation to your own body, your mind, your heart? I believe that to locate a feeling of peace and love and positivity in the present moment, to bring that positive energy, those good vibes into your body, into this reality, I believe that that is such a gift to all of existence. That is such a sacred service to all of existence. And I believe that that is one of the most powerful things that we can do in these times of great change, of upheaval, of turmoil, in these times of great awakening. This is not to say that you should aim to be happy all the time. It's only human, it's only natural to experience the full range of emotions. But it is possible to learn to find peace and stillness in the midst of whatever emotion is arising, of whatever experience is arising. And this is why meditation and mindfulness and spiritual practice, spiritual awakening, is so essential to finding true peace. We can learn to navigate the ups and downs of life with equanimity, with inner peace, not just for our own benefit, but for the benefit of all that is. Because I've said it before, and I will say it again, world peace begins within each one of us.